Hello, I'd like to show you at the piano how I composed the music for the poem by Thomas Nash, Spring, the Sweet Spring. So I'll show you that now, and if you'd like to see me singing that song, it's on my channel. Thank you. Hello, right now, I composed some music for the poem Spring, the Sweet Spring is the Year's Pleasant King by Thomas Nash. So I composed it in the key of E flat, but I transposed on this keyboard from E flat down to C. So although you see the chords of E flat and so on, actually the sound, the pitch is C, 1.5 tones down from E flat. That's half a tone, 1 tone, 1.5 tones from E flat to C. So here we are in E flat, and I start off with Spring, the sweet spring is the year's pleasant king. And I'm going to use the chords E flat, F minor 7th, that's F, A flat, C, E flat, and B flat 7th, F, A flat, B flat, D. Back to E flat, G, B flat. Remember, in all these compositions I use inversions of the chords as well as the chords themselves. For instance, with B flat 7th, the root position would be B flat, D, F, A flat. But that would mean me jumping around a lot, so I use the inversion F, A flat, B flat, D, which is the same notes, just in a different order. So here we go. E flat, E flat, E flat, F minor 7th, B flat 7th. Then we go E flat 7th. That's E flat plus D flat, which leads automatically, every 7th chord will automatically lead on to another chord, in this case the chord of A flat, which I'm using in its inversion as E flat, A flat, C. And then I use a diminished chord, which is E flat, G flat, A, C. And that chord is a bridge between the key of E flat and the key of C. So I'm going to change key, or modulate as they call it, from E flat to C, E, G, C. I'll play that through now with the words of the song. Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. That's the diminished chord. And then I go to C, cold does not sting, G 7th, D, F, G, B, the pretty birds do sing. And then I'm going to go from G 7th to the chord of F, F, A, C, cuckoo, C, G 7th, C, add the 7th, B flat, which takes us back to cuckoo, jug jug, poo-wee, to-wit, to-woo. So that's the first verse. Let me play the first verse through now. Spring, the sweet spring, is the year's pleasant king. Then blooms each thing, then maids dance in a ring. Cold does not sting, the pretty birds do sing. Cuckoo, chug-chug, poo-wee, to-wit, to-woo. jug, poo-wee, to-whip, to-woo. Then, in the second verse, we need to get back to E flat again. Notice we're in the key of C here. E, G, C. We ended up in C because the diminished chord was a bridge from E flat to C. Now, I'm going to get back to E flat by going E flat diminished, F minor 7th, B flat 7th, and then we're back to the second verse, which I'll just name the chords as we play it. E flat, F minor 7th, B flat 7th, E flat 7th, A flat, E flat diminished, C, G7th, C, G7th, F, C, G7th, C, C7th, F, C, G7th. Well, that's it. And then there's a second verse. If you want to see me singing this, or if you look on my channel, this channel you're looking at now, and you look for the song Spring, the Sweet Spring, you'll see the completed version. I hope we can do another song in the near future. Bye-bye. Well, thank you very much, and I hope to show you how I compose other songs of mine on other videos. Thank you. Bye.